Hello and welcome to my channel, Old Stock Model Railway. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared my loft and built my baseboard. I started using wooden studs to raise the floor. I used C16 CLS 63mm by 38mm studs. I then covered this in 18mm loft boards. I started this in 2019. Once the flooring was complete, I painted the walls and used a breathable multi-layered foil to insulate and help minimise dust. I also had to make the hatch safe as my children come up and down. I was originally going to lay out two 8x4 sheets, but realised, I need bigger. I'll make 20 little boards and bolt them together to fill the whole loft. That works out 8 full sheets of 8x4 softwood ply.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
And here's one of the final baseboards, measuring in at 1800 by 450mm. Only 42 legs and adjustable feet to build.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
And there we have it, after 18 months start to finish, a baseboard in situ. Still needs a little bit of levelling up, but I'm happy with it. Here's a look at some of the legs, quite a bit of Hornby in the way. Looks solid enough to me. Now it's time to get organised, start building, and hopefully with a bit of magic, and it's white, ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.